Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where I've been reminiscing about summer vacations that I spent with my grandparents at their house in San Francisco. They also had a property in Petaluma, which is about 40 miles north of San Francisco, where they had tons of blackberry bushes, and they would take us up there in the summertime, and we would pick loads of blackberries and bring them back to my grandma's house, where she would give them to us with cream. She would make them into jam, syrup for pancakes, and blackberry pie. And so I decided to make a blackberry pie. I didn't make a homemade crust. My grandma always made a homemade crust, and I used to for many, many years, following her recipe because she's the one that taught me how to bake pie. But I bought store-bought crust this time just to make things a little bit easier and less time. And so basically I put the crust in the pie dish, put the bottom crust in the pie dish, loaded it up with the blackberries that are mixed with sweetener, lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and cornstarch. You load the pie shell up with the blackberries. You dot the blackberries with a few pieces of vegan butter. And then you put the top crust on. And you crimp it around. And you poke some holes. And the reason why you want to poke the holes, it isn't just to let the steam out. But like for instance right here where the juices bubbled up and came out of the hole. That's one of your signs that your pie is done inside. Because these take a while to bake. So I will have the recipe on my blog, and I will link it in the description. But let me try the piece that I cut out. Okay, here it is. I used my little pie wedge, although the front cracked a little bit, you know. It's half frozen, which is why it's it's a little bit brittle. I didn't want to wait any longer for it to come up to temperature, but let me try some. Oops. Yeah, it's still this is still kind of frozen, but that's good because it's like 103 outside today, which for folks in the UK I think is like 40 degrees C. And I should have gotten a spoon. Okay, let me try this hunk. Struggling. I love blackberry pie. It's so good. I can really taste the lemon in this. I might have I don't remember because I made it a little while ago and stuck it in the freezer, but I might have put some lemon zest in there too, because lemon's always very nice. So, if you get a chance, especially if you get a chance to pick your own blackberries, you should try this. It's really, really nice. Very summery. Happy childhood memories. Thank you as always for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Regular posts, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Community tab posts, Monday and Friday. I will link to the previous video along with the recipe in the description. And I will see you later, guys.